Just in time for all your spring projects, Microsoft is rolling out a brilliant update to Excel that'll revolutionize teamwork, Excel Live. This innovative new feature will make team collaboration on spreadsheet projects easier than ever. Whether it's a remote team or a group gathered in a conference room, Excel Live streamlines the entire spreadsheet work session by offering a shared worksheet during video calls over Microsoft Teams. Meeting participants have the ability to make direct edits, revisions, and additions in real time while they talk. Using Excel Live couldn't be simpler. All you have to do is select the file you want to share, give other participants permission to edit, and start collaborating. The best part? Excel Live will work on PCs, Macs, and Android/iOS devices. Plus, with its mentioned feature and the ability to add hyperlinks to comments, you'll have everything you need to collaborate without a hitch. Make sure you check out the Microsoft 365 roadmap for updates to see when it will become available, expected to be in March 2023. And if your organization needs other tools to enhance productivity, take a look at the best online collaboration tools around today.